Hi class, this is a video for the book review assignment that's going to be turned in with your final portfolio materials on May 12th. Please be sure that you turn in this book review assignment. I've had students in the past forget about it, and unfortunately, if you don't turn in the book review assignment, it really does heavily affect your grades. So just remember that. The book review, really what I want you guys to do is think about the author's sort of objectives, their main arguments. You're going to be answering all the questions here, right? I really want you to dive into the different technical elements that we've discussed in this class and how they're fulfilled in this book. I think it's important that you do discuss whether or not you found the book engaging and whether you liked it or not. But I really want you to dive in on these ideas here. So, cover the title of the author in the book that you're reviewing, the author's objectives and audience, the author's main arguments, the evaluation of the author's support of his arguments, your evaluation of the author's interpretation, and the success of his or her objectives in writing the book, comparison with other books or sources if appropriate, your conclusions about the book, and then you could rate this book number of stars or whatever out of possible, but you don't have to, right? This is a very sort of low stakes assignment. It's 2 to 3 pages double spaced. I really just wanted you guys to read something from the last 5 years and see how you could really adapt that into your own writing and sort of understand the contemporary elements of American literature. The rubric is going to be here. I'm grading based on summary, quotes, critique, organization, and mechanics. Pretty self-explanatory. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, please email me so we can discuss them. Have a great day.